Every year, Pinterest gives us a crystal ball into what's about to take over our feeds, wardrobes, and shopping carts. And 2025 is shaping up to be nothing short of magical. With themes ranging from medieval to nautical chic, Pinterest predicts 2025 offers a treasure trove of inspirations. So let's break down these trends and explore how you can embrace them, whether it's for personal style, marketing strategies, or something else. Castle Core, a medieval revival. The age of knights and castles is totally back. Castle Core taps into love for antiquity with chainmail inspired jewelry, ornate details, and a touch of regal glamour. So, what to expect? Expect bold, metallic accessories, brocade fabrics, and layered textures reminiscent of medieval court attire. So, how can you use it? Brands can lean into this vintage inspired marketing. Think antique style, packaging, rich jewel tones in visual content, and storytelling that transports customers back in time. Cherry coated, the bold power of red. Move over neutrals. Deep cherry red is the new statement color from lipstick to oversized sweaters. This vibrant hue truly demands attention. What to expect? Cherry red will dominate in both fashion and beauty, from bold manicures to monochrome outfits. So how can you use it? Well, retailers and creators can incorporate this shade into campaigns, whether as a featured product or an accent of color in your visuals, or if you're doing a complete rebrand. Highlight its empowering and confident vibe. Goddess Core, channeling divine energy. Goddess Core is all about celebrating beauty, strength, and opulence through gold accents and ethereal styling. So what should you expect with this? Well, you can expect gold trimmed makeup looks, flowing fabrics, and intricate braids. How could you use it? Well, it's perfect for beauty brands looking to create Instagram-worthy tutorials or fashion labels embracing luxurious textures. Use lighting to highlight the gold glow in your marketing images. Fisherman chic. Nautical meets nostalgia. Imagine your grandpa's favorite cable knit sweater, but make it cool. Fisherman chic gives classic nautical staples a trendy new upgrade. So what should you expect with this? Well, fisherman sandals, utilitarian raincoats, and chunky knits. And how can you use it? Well, for outdoor and adventure brands, this trend is going to be a goldmine. Lean into a mix of rugged and cozy aesthetics in campaigns and product lines. Seeing double matchy-matchy moments. Coordinated outfits and accessories are no longer just for twins. Seeing double is about couples and besties dressing in sync. So what should you expect with this trend? Matching jerseys, complementary nail designs, and accessories like friendship bracelets. How can you use it? Well, brands targeting Gen Z and millennials can really create twinning collections or bundle deals that encourages customers to shop in pairs. All dolled up, the dollhouse aesthetic. Barbiecore is evolving, but doll-inspired beauty and decor are here to stay. Think whimsical, playful, and unapologetically cute. What should you expect with this trend? Pastel accessories, rosy makeup, and home decor with dollhouse charm. How can you use it? Perfect for lifestyle and beauty brands. Tap into this nostalgia and joy of childhood with campaigns that really evoke warmth and whimsy. Aura Beauty, a pop of color. Say goodbye to and hello to vibrant, unapologetic makeup. Aura Beauty is about to make a huge statement through color. So what should you expect with this trend? Purple blush, colorful eyeliners and mascara, and full face color experiments. So how could you use this? Ideal for beauty influencers and brands really looking to engage a younger audience. Tutorials and reels showing bold transformations will really thrive on platforms like Instagram and TikTok, as well as Pinterest. Sea witchery, mystical oceanic vibes. Take your nautical chic of mysticism. Sea witchery combines oceanic inspiration with a touch of magic. So what should you expect with this trend? Wet look hairstyles, shimmering sea-inspired nail art, and siren-themed makeup. How can you use it? This trend pairs perfectly with spa and beauty businesses. You can create calming, ocean-inspired campaigns with a hint of drama. And if you're a photographer, consider creating a styled shoot in one of these themes that Pinterest is telling you is going to be big in 2025, so that when you create pins for Pinterest, it will go crazy next year when it comes to fruition. Moto, biker meets bohemian. Biker jackets meet flowing skirts in this edgy meets free spirit. Biker jackets meet flowing skirts in this edgy meets free-spirited trend. Moto boho is for those who want a little grit. So what should you expect with this trend? Chunky leather accessories, flowing fabrics, and tough yet chic boots. How to use this trend? It's great for fashion retailers, combined bold urban visuals with softer, more organic styling to show the duality of this trend. So why these trends matter? So let's talk a little bit about why these trends matter for businesses. Pinterest trends often predicts cultural shifts before they become midstream. I think about 80%, I think last year was 85% of the trends actually came true. So by aligning your content, services, products, and marketing strategies with these trends, you can really position yourself as a forward-thinking brand that gets its audience and is marketing accordingly. So here are a few actionable tips to capitalize on these trends. To stay ahead of the curve, incorporate these themes into your social media content, into your design, or even your packaging. Use Pinterest boards creatively. Showcase how your services or product align with trending aesthetic. Think mood boards, styling tips, or tutorials. So how can you engage creators? Collaborate with influencers who embody these styles to really amplify your reach. 25 is all about making bold, creative statements. Whether you're inspired by the grandeur of Castlecore or the vibrancy of Cherry Coated, there's something there for every taste. So get pinning and start planning a year full of exciting possibilities. And as always, if you need help, I would love to help you. Click below and you can see all of my services. Have a great day. See you next week.